Akko Mirror Switches are designed for a foamless build and have a clean sound profile. Their purpose is to reflect the authentic sound of any keyboards as closely as possible. The switches are linear with 37 gram force, which is about the average on the market. They are pre-lubed from the factory with a POC stem, PA12 top case and nylon bottom case. Akko keyboard switches have a MX style structure and they are compatible with most keycaps set with a cross stem. The package includes 45 switches, and the current price on Amazon and AliExpress is $15.29 and $17.47 respectively. For today's testing, I will be using the cheapest keyboard I recently ordered on AliExpress, a GMK67 65% gasket mounted mechanical keyboard with RGB and wireless connection, and the main idea is to show you that the sound of the keyboard isn't always depend on its price. For the keycaps, I will be using my Zero Division from KeyTok, which is cost the same as GMK67 plus Akko Mirror Switches altogether. But guys, this is a common scenario for mechanical keyboards hobby. Since the main idea of these switches is to be used in a foamless build, I will be showing you two separate sound tests. One with all foams inside the case of the keyboard and the second without the internal foam layer. So guys, which one do you like more? All the links will be in the description under this video.